Hi, welcome to Ramago. Today I'm gonna show you how you can test your motor wheel hub with this wheel hub tester. I have this scooter, and only the front motor is running. The back wheel hub doesn't run, and I also have a third wheel hub that I'm going to test. Let me turn it on so you can see. When I press the throttle, you can see only the rear one doesn't turn, just stay stick. So this means the front motor is good and the rear one something wrong with that, because those controllers are new. So I'm going to test them so you can see how you can test your motor with this one. Let me disconnect the battery first. And then I'll disconnect the controller.
So now I'll just disconnect the controller.
So this is the front motor wire. So I'm gonna test it so you can see. Your motor will have a tester. You can see here motor hull line. So this one is your hull sensor connector, and the one that say the one that has 3 connector here. The color is blue, green and yellow. You can see it's a motor main phase line. You can see this one is your motor phase connector. So I'm gonna take the hull sensor, then I'll connect it to the motor. Then I'm going to connect the green to green, yellow to yellow, and then blue to blue. Good. And when it's connected, you turn it on here. And when you turn it on, this light is your power and indicator. That means your tester is working with this light. Now I'm going to turn my motor. Let me turn my motor so you can see. If I turn my motor, going to see what is going to happen. You can see that only 2 light is on. Let's see. As you can see, all the 3 wires are blinking. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This means your motor is working good. Everything look good in your motor will have. Now I'm going to test the back motor. It's same thing, same process. Take this off. What is the wheel motor? Wheel motor is right here. Good. Now you can see the light that all 3 wires are already on. That is not a good sign. Now let me turn the wheel to see what's going to happen. Only 2 lights are blinking. You can see here, and the one is steady red. This means something wrong with this motor. If that was good, all the 3 wires will be blinking. Now I'm going to test the third one, the third motor. Disconnect this one. Same thing, just connect the female connector to the your Hall sensor. This one, you can see all the lights are off for this motor. All the lights are off except the power indicator, that is on here. So now let me turn the motor to see what's going to happen. If I turn the wheel, you can see only 2 lights are blinking, so this means something wrong with this motor too. Let me turn off the light so you can see better. You can see the light better. If I turn this on off, you can see only 2 lights blinking. So this one is not good, so I need to buy a new motor. Thank you for watching until now. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day. See you at the next video. Thank you.